So I finally have my room all to myself. I've shared a room with my twin sister for as long as I can remember, since day one. So I was very excited when I finally got the chance to have my own room. Don't worry, my sister has a room of her own as well. Now the first place that came to mind when doing a room makeover was of course Ikea. They have amazing and affordable items perfect for a little remodeling. It was early and my family and I were hungry, so we stopped at the mini food court downstairs and ordered frozen yogurt. It's kind of become a bit of a routine whenever we go to Ikea. And let me tell you, the frozen yogurt is so good. I was sad they didn't offer it in a cone on this particular day, but I highly recommend you guys try the frozen yogurt. And if they do have the cone that day, definitely get it with the cone. I always use it as fuel I'll need to get around Ikea as I check out all the model rooms. Trust me, by the time you get to the end of the store, you're gonna be hungry, so I recommend you guys check out the food court first, get some frozen yogurt, especially in this heat, and then check out all the model rooms. It's always so much fun to come here and imagine you own one of these spaces, like owning this kitchen, for example. I always like to imagine like it's my own little apartment in Tokyo, and honestly gets me a lot more excited to be shopping here. Here's a little outfit of the day. I really wanted to go with something a little bit more preppy. Alright, so these are just some of my room ideas. I really wanted a minimalistic Korean aesthetic bedroom. I've been gravitating towards white sheets and neutral decor, so whenever I see anything that's white, I definitely tend to gravitate towards that. I really like this desk setup. One of the focal points I want for my room is a pegboard with cute items similar to this. I made a Pinterest board for ideas, and these are just some of my inspirations. One of the items I really needed from here were white sheets for my bed. These are a must for a minimalistic room, so I made sure to put them in my cart. Now this right here is the actual reason I came here in the first place, and that is for this beautiful lamp. I've seen this all over Pinterest, and my favorite YouTubers have the exact same one. We finished paying and then we were starving at this point, so we went to BBQ Chicken. They sell the best fried chicken here. We ordered fries and kimchi fried rice to go with it. I highly recommend you guys check out this place. I believe they have various chains around the US, although I believe originally they started in South Korea. I actually first heard of them from a Korean drama I watched called The King Eternal Monarch. Let me know if you guys have also seen that Korean drama. It's on Netflix if you guys have not checked it out, but it's honestly what got me obsessed over barbecue chicken. Of course we wanted dessert after, so we shared this croissant wheel. It had this strawberry yogurt filling that was so good. We then headed to H Mart. I love getting various Korean snacks and ice cream here. It's been super hot lately since it's summer, so this day was no exception. I always get these guava popsicles, perfect for this heat. Hey guys, so today is the following day. Today's is Sunday. I decided to go do small like window shopping. I want to find some headphones. I've been seeing a lot of these like cute desks, and a lot of girls will have a pegboard and they will have their headphones on there. I'm kind of broke right now, so I kind of want to get some probably from Dollar Tree, just some really inexpensive headphones that I can use for decor. That's why I don't want to spend so much money on them. I really want to go for like a very minimalistic style room, like just an all white minimalistic room. I was so happy that I was able to find the lamp I was looking for in Ikea yesterday. It was very modern and it's like all white, which is exactly what I'm going for. I don't know what it is about these past years, but as I've been growing up, I kind of want to go for a more neutral minimalistic style. I do still like kawaii stuff, so I've been really into this sort of like minimalistic kawaii sanrio look, I guess. Kind of what I've been going for. So anyway, let's see what we can find. Like I said, I might just do window shopping. I'm gonna do a mini vlog for you guys, so I'll take you guys along my kind of like weekend trip to be part of this video. But yeah, that's pretty much the goal. I'm gonna be looking for just stuff that I can use for my room. But anyway, let's go ahead and do some window shopping and see what we can find. Look how cute this is. I'm obsessed. It's two of my favorite things, Disney and Halloween. As I shopped around Costco, I was super tempted to buy this strawberry layered cake. Do not go to Costco if you're hungry. Trust me, you're gonna want to buy the whole store. I finally got to get these Oreo sandwiches. They are so good and perfect for the summer. I went through the aisles and saw so much delicious food. Like I said, do not come here if you're hungry. You're gonna wanna buy so many things that you probably don't need. It was also hot this day, so we ordered a vanilla soft serve and a cold brew. We combined the two to make our own affogato. It was a perfect combination. I highly recommend you guys try it out. It's delicious. So this is kind of how my room is looking like right now. It's super basic and very minimalistic. We made sure to repaint the entire room white. So as you guys can see here, the sheets are not necessarily there yet. Pillows are white, and then we have this really pretty duvet that we have here. So it isn't like a set bed sheet. The bed is the center of the room here, so we wanted to make it very minimalistic and just have that kind of be the center of the bedroom. We do have the curtains. We decided to raise the curtains all the way to the top of the ceiling so that it looks a lot more grand and tall. The ceiling looks a lot taller as well, and I think that adds a nice sort of statement piece right here. This side of the room we have the mirror that I decided to kind of section off right over here, which I think is a lot better. And then here everything's just white. Over on this side, I decided to get something to hang my clothing. As you guys know, I love fashion. I love, trying out different aesthetics, and so I really wanted to get one of these to kind of go well with the room. It's very minimalistic. I got it for very cheap on Amazon. You can put some shoes here on the sides. You can actually hang some bags here, which I think is amazing. As you go over to the side, you can also hang your bag on the other corner here. Over here on this side, we have the desk area and where kind of a small drawer where I keep some stuff. Everything's painted white. We also have the minimalistic chair that I got from Ikea a while back. So here I keep my pegboard, a really big pegboard that I think might go really well up here. I think it would look really, really nice like if we put it just right up here. I ended up buying some plants. These are some white tulips. You guys can see here right now, I ended up buying some white tulips on Amazon, as well as getting a few other goodies like this really cute keychain with, kind of looks like taiyaki. It's absolutely adorable, and I kind of want to hang that on my pegboard here. Then I also purchased these headphones that remind me so much of the ones you can buy on Apple, but these are a lot cheaper and more affordable. Like I said, because I really want it to be mainly for decor, I decided to get something that was just a lot cheaper. And also, like, buying overly expensive headphones is just, I don't have that kind of money, so I'll go ahead and link it down below in case you guys want to purchase the items that I mentioned here. I'll link all the items that I got, as many as I can, in case you guys want to get the exact same things, but they look really cute. We'll see how they'll look once I receive them, so you guys can see that in the full room tour video. That's when you're going to go ahead and check them out, and that's pretty much kind of what I got online. So here I have a small vase. I think it was supposed to be like a milk bottle or something my sister had for her baking and stuff, but we decided to use it for decor, and I'm going to go ahead and put these plants right in there. I think it will work perfectly. I do have this old lamp that I got on Amazon that it's not really going to work for the aesthetic that I'm going for. I'm going to just like put it in my closet, and maybe I can just bring it out whenever I decide to change the aesthetic, but for now I'm going to go ahead and not make it part of it, but I just wanted to show it to you guys anyways. I think it still kind of works with the aesthetic, but I want to go with an all white minimalistic look, so I think I'm going to go ahead and put that away. For now, I've been using it as a lamp since I have not been able to set this one up because I want to make sure I have everything for the new room, so I've been using that. As you guys can see here, this is the actual, like, the lamp that I'm going to go ahead and set up in a little bit. I also decided to get this composition book that I got from Dollar Tree. I've been seeing a lot of girls use these, so I might use it for my little desk area, which we'll do on the other side, or put it on my pegboard. I'm not sure, since I want to go with an all white look, but I just thought it would look cool anyways. These are some old pillow covers that my mom used for her room, but she didn't need anymore, so I'm going to go ahead and use them for my pillows. Since when I went to Ikea I couldn't find any, I found this, which this is the covers I'm going to go ahead and use for my room. These are the Ikea twin size bed sheets. They're all just plain white, which is exactly what I'm going for, so that's pretty much all I have for now.
Putting this together was pretty simple, and the instructions were very easy to follow. I ended up switching the light bulb from my old lamp to this one since it was honestly a lot better. Alright, let's give it a try. I love it. The room already looks so much better. Now all that's left is to put these tulips in a vase. It works perfectly with the room. Just to finish off for the day, I put the white sheets I got from Ikea on my bed. I'll finish decorating the room once I've received the other items I ordered from Amazon, but that's probably going to take a while since some of the items I ordered will be arriving in August. So I'll be looking forward to the room tour reveal in August since that's when most of my items are going to be arriving.